Hello, St. Paul's. I hope you are well. This is the update for Tuesday, September 1st. This coming Sunday will be the last in our series of the Psalms in the summer, and we will be looking at Psalm 150 and asking the question, why worship? What is worship about? And we'll explore that some more on Sunday. This Sunday will also be our monthly communion service. So given that we are meeting and worshiping at a distance, I would encourage you to prepare for that for Sunday, to have some juice or wine and to have some bread or something like that prepared for the service so that you're ready to participate in the communion as we have that as part of our worship service. As always, you can find the links you need for the ministry of St. Paul's at our website, stpaulsottawa.com. You can find the link for our live stream service, which is also recorded, and you can participate in worship later. You can have the links for our children's ministry, our youth ministry, links for the prayer time that happen each day, Monday to Friday. Those are all there. There's also a Connect card, an electronic Connect card, and if you are new to St. Paul's, you could fill that out and we could be in touch with you. And if you have any questions, you can ask them through that as well. As I announced last week, the session, the elders of the church are looking at, we're aiming for reopening the building for worship for October the 4th, the first Sunday in October. We're aiming for it. This is not a hard and fast, definite conclusion. If a variety of things happen, if the school opening creates a huge outbreak, then we will probably hold off a little bit longer, but we are aiming for the 4th of October. More information will be available. I spent the morning this morning looking at all of the things that we have to do, all of the things that we have to have in place, and trying to get everything organized for that so that we will be completely prepared for that on the 4th. And here's a bit of an update as to what is going on in the building as far as the renovation is concerned. This is a look at Campbell Hall and seeing all that is happening. And the end of last week was mostly the taping and joining of the ceiling panels, and that has come along very well. You can see the one that was completed earlier last week, and on the far side, the ceiling panel that was done later last week. And you can see the end wall. The panels have been removed to make way for the windows and the new doors. The Lord bless you and keep you.